I'm Josh Price, a product buyer for Small Pet Select. We're a small family-owned business delivering the freshest and most premium products for your rabbits, guinea pigs, and chickens. And we pride ourselves on having the very best Timothy hay in the world. That is a mission of ours here at Small Pet Select. We are located in Louisville, Kentucky, with a 46,000 square foot facility, and all of our products are sourced in the Pacific Northwest, which has the best product and the best climate for growing our Timothy hay. Our hay is fresh, it smells good, it's green, and it's also packaged in a 100% biodegradable, breathable box, which is recyclable and good for the planet. And Newsweek named Small Pet Select one of America's best pet brands. We are proud to display that on our boxes.
My name is Devin Danahy. I work with Independent 2, and I've been a partner with Small Pet Select for somewhere around 7 or 8 years now. It started out as a couple die-cut boxes, some simple RSEs, and to date, they probably have somewhere between 30 and 40 different SKUs, and 95% of them, it's all off of our Domino. It's all digital print. They are rocking and rolling, and we're happy and blessed to be a part of it.
Our vision was relatively simple: diversify from brown box, but do it in a way that would deliver consistent value and quality to our customers. And it was something that was achievable for us to manage every day. When Domino came out with the X630i, single pass, aquaspace digital press, we said, that's it.
The beauty of digital printing is that we're able to change and adapt on the fly. With our old box, we only had 3 colors. With the new art of digital printing, we're able to use many different colors and tell many different stories and change out on a frequent basis. If we wanted to run different themed boxes, we can certainly run those now at a much faster pace than using flexo in the past. And it has really elevated our business to the next level.
Independent 2 likes to be in front of the marketplace, and with customers like Small Pet Select, we're able to raise the bar and stay ahead of the game.
Independent 2 is more than a partner. They go above and beyond to help us achieve our goals. They provide great solutions. They're very fast, quick, and responsive to any needs that we might have. We take great pride in the products that we bring to market, and we take great pride in the packaging that we use to bring those products to market.